We're here to show you how easy it is to install the crystal clear automatic heated wiper blade system. The first step in the installation process is to install the thermal control module. In the kit, you'll find a thermal control module, alcohol prep pad, wire ties or zip ties, and several size ring terminal connectors. It is recommended that the thermal control module be installed in a horizontal area, preferably on a metal surface. This location can vary depending on the vehicle make and model. Also, ensure the location you have selected allows for enough wire to connect to the battery and blades with additional slack. We have selected this location as it suits this specific vehicle. Remove the alcohol prep pad from the package and clean the area where the module is to be installed. Remove the 3M paper backing from the thermal control module and press the adhesive side of the thermal control module to the previously cleaned surface. Now it's time to connect the thermal control module directly to the battery. Route the wires to the battery, avoiding any heated and moving parts. The kit comes with several size ring terminal connectors. Please determine which size is appropriate for your vehicle's battery. Crimp the selected ring terminals to the power and ground wires. First, connect the red power wire to the positive terminal on the vehicle battery. Second, connect the black ground wire to the negative terminal on the vehicle battery. Using the supplied wire ties, ensure all wires are secure and away from all heated and moving parts. Route the wires up to the wiper blade arms, again ensuring you avoid heated and all moving parts. Loosely zip tie the wire into the routed position. Now it is time to connect the wiper blades to the vehicle wiper blade arms. First, select the appropriate adapter for your vehicle make and model and attach it to the wiper blade. For clarification, please refer to Step 2 of the instruction manual provided inside the wiper blade packaging. When installing the blades, it is ideal to have the arm in an upright position to allow for the appropriate amount of slack on the wires. If it is not possible to put the wiper arm in the upright position, do not tighten or fasten wires until you are sure there is enough slack in the wires for a full cycle and that the wires are not being pulled. Connect the wiper blade wire to the module by pushing the connectors together until you hear a click. Remove the supplied 3M mounting strips from the wiper blade package. The 3M mounting strips can be cut to size based on the diameter of your vehicle's wiper arms. Remove the backing from the 3M mounting strips and secure the wire to the wiper blade arms. Based on the wiper blade arms, you may require 2 to 3 strips to properly secure the wire. Now it is time to test the operation of the wiper blades to ensure that the blades are cleaning with no streaking and that the wires are not catching or pulling. This process will allow you to see how much slack you require before securing the wires in place. Tighten the routed zip ties under the hood. Turn on the vehicle and ensure both LED lights are on while the vehicle is running. Congratulations, your wiper blade installation is now complete.